Hi, Algebra Kids. If you were absent on Thursday, November the 19th, if you go to T2 Week 5 and click on 1119, the title is Finish Your Benchmark and Slope Name Activity, I think. I'm not sure exactly what the name is. Slope Name Art, maybe. The link to sign into online testing is there again for you. The title of your benchmark is Math Algebra 174, November 2020. Okay, if you're not done, work on that first. If you are done, when and if you're done, work on the attached activity. If you click on it, it opens up to your own individual assignment. Let me go ahead and resize this so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this activity is creating your name in block letters. I put an example on there of what a block letter is. Okay, so the directions tell you to draw your name with block letters using only straight lines. So if you have a letter in your name that needs a curve, like the letter D or an O, then you've got to figure out some way to make it so that way the sides are straight. Okay, the four types of lines that you can use are positive, negative, zero, and undefined. So you're going to pick four different colors to represent each of the different types of lines. Okay, so I gave you a legend over here. If you click on it, you can change the color. You can fill in whatever color you want the positive line to be. Okay, you can click on the next box and you can fill in whatever color the negative, the zero, and the undefined. So you pick your four colors. Okay, once you have your letters drawn on here, on the grid paper, you can click and change the color of the line. Okay, so you're going to change it based off of whatever you created your legend to be. Okay, if you click on this post-it note and this text box, you can just erase it so that way you can make your own name on here. And then the challenge that I'm posing to you is to pick three of these lines and try to write an equation, at least three, for whatever lines you pick. Okay. Also up here on this right-hand side, it says circle one. You're going to pick which one you'd rather. If you want it to replace the missing assignment, go ahead and circle that. If you want to add points to a low grade, circle that option. Okay, once you're done with this, you can turn it in and you can enjoy your Thanksgiving break, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.